Hey everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'm gonna help you to fix CapCut templates not showing on TikTok. So without further ado, let's start. First of all, check if your TikTok app needs to get updated to its latest version, and along with TikTok, make sure that your CapCut is also updated to its latest version. So again, head back to the search bar and then search for CapCut and then see if your CapCut needs to be updated like I have here, and simply tap on update and wait until it gets updated. Now at the top right hand side of your screen you will see three line icons, so tap on there and go to settings and privacy. After that scroll and search for report a problem. Here at support and about section you will be able to see report a problem. Tap on that option and then scroll to last until you see an option that says submit a report. So tap on submit a report option. Here you will be able to provide your issues, so simply type I am not able to use CapCut template. After you are done with typing your problem, simply tap on submit option and your issues will be submitted to TikTok service care, and wait until TikTok replies you back, and then your problem will be solved. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel, like our video, press the bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.